How did you go about learning your lines for this show?
Drilling, drilling, drilling. And we also had a very good Yiddish coach, Mottel, who made tapes for us. And I listened to those tapes to death, and he would read each line twice, and I'd follow along and just locking myself in the bedroom with that book. And some people say just learn the sound and worry about the meaning later, but I don't know why, but it helped me to learn the meaning at the same time. Still to this day, I'm saying some of my lines and wait, what does that word mean? And then it goes by so fast, I don't have time. It's very strange. It takes a lot of concentration. It's terrifying because I can't ad-lib if I go up on a line. It's cool to be making this different sound, but thinking in English. It's cool to be speaking something that, a lot of people thought was dead, and it's cool to be redefining such a familiar piece that everybody knows, but in a different language. And it's so cool to be able to make, the Yiddish a hip thing.